I'm Bo with Windsor Industries. This video is designed to teach you why a sweeping program is important for you and how to implement one in your facility. You know, when you think about it, there are 4 basic reasons to sweep. You sweep for appearance, safety, to cut down on product contamination, and for economic reasons. One of the things that people often don't think about is the effect of soil once it enters your facility. A good sweeping program will help to stop soil from intruding into your facility so that you have to remove it through cleaning. A lot of people don't even think about the economic impact of soil coming into a building. Do you realize that it costs on average, based on industry studies, about $700 per pound to remove soil once it's inside a facility? Industry studies have also shown that 1,000 people in 20 days can track in up to 24 pounds of soil. That's a very expensive proposition to remove that soil. The impact of soils on hard floors is that they scratch and abrade the surface like 120 grit sandpaper. What this means is more maintenance on marble and terrazzo. On finished floors like VCT, it means that you have to strip and finish, burnish, top scrub and recoat more often. This impacts your bottom line and impacts the environment through the disposal of those cleaning chemicals. The impact of soil being tracked in on carpets is that the soils scratch and abrade the carpet fibers. Oftentimes, this is what we call a traffic lane. We mistakenly think that it can be cleaned up when it's truly damage to the carpet fibers. The EPA estimates that we throw away 4.7 billion pounds of carpet each year. That carpet takes 1,000 years in a landfill to degrade. So when you talk about a green program for your building, a sweeping program helps to cut down on the amount of chemicals you have to use to clean and the amount of carpet that ends up going into landfills. Stopping the soil from coming into your building is critical to the success of your floor maintenance program. How do you do it? Well, most people rely on matting. However, there are 2 key factors that make matting inadequate in a lot of applications. For example, having the right amount of matting. Industry studies have shown that 6 feet of matting will remove 40% of the soil that's being tracked in. 12 feet of matting will remove 80%. And it takes a full 36 feet of matting to remove 99% of the soil from the shoes. The other factor is the right type of matting. For example, a ridged scraping mat to scrape and remove large debris, followed by a carpet type mat to wipe and dry the feet. Sweeping is an often overlooked and critical part of your floor maintenance program, helping to stop the soil before it enters your facility. Just how much of an impact does sweeping have on a soil maintenance program? Windsor Industries recently set out to answer that question. We started by selecting a hotel in the Denver area. We then set up 3 specific areas in their lobby. We vacuumed each area every day with a new vacuum bag in each single area. We weighed the vacuum bag before use and after use to see how much soil was collected. We did this for 1 week. During the 2nd week of the study, we incorporated a sweeping program. We swept the walkways daily, and twice during that week, we swept the parking lot about 80 feet from the entrance. The results? Well, they were dramatic. We saw a 66% reduction in the amount of soil being tracked in. That hotel would save over $26,000 per year through the implementation of a sweeping program. So what areas do you concentrate on with your sweeping program? Begin with your walkways and parking lots. Remember, up to 94% of the soil in your facility came in with foot traffic. Keeping your parking lots and your walkways clean will help reduce the amount of soil that's being tracked into your facility. Once the soil is in the building, sweepers can be used in interior carpeted areas and entryways to augment your vacuuming program. Remember that sweepers pick up debris that's on the surface. They don't replace a vacuum, but they can help augment a vacuuming program because sweepers don't have a cord and can be used for daytime cleaning. For hard floors on the interior of your building, sweeping can replace dust mopping before scrubbing. Sweeping is a much more effective way to contain the soils, and it helps to improve indoor air quality. Furthermore, it leaves you with no dust mops to launder, treat, or store. In production areas, sweepers help to pick up debris on the floor that could become a safety hazard. Additionally, it helps to keep debris down that could contaminate products that are being produced. In warehousing applications, sweepers can be used to pick up pallet chips, dust, and other debris off the floor, as well as to keep dust from getting onto packaging that might be shipped to the customer. It's important to understand that there are two basic types of sweepers: direct throw and overthrow. A direct throw sweeper works like a lobby pan in a broom. Just like a lobby pan, you put the pan down and you sweep the debris into it. As the broom spins, it throws the debris straight into the hopper. The advantage of this type of sweeper is that it works very well on fine debris. The other type of sweeping system is the overthrow system. The overthrow system works by pulling the debris up and over the main broom and throwing it in at the top of the hopper. This allows you to pick up large debris such as pallet chips, crushed cans, and to use the hopper to full capacity. The Radius Mini does 13,200 square feet per hour and can be used in restaurants, lobbies, corridors, and cubicle areas. The Radius Manual does 18,480 square feet per hour and is ideal for sidewalks, sweeping before scrubbing, alongside curbs, and entry areas. The Radius 280 Deluxe does 30,800 square feet per hour and is ideal for sidewalks, sweeping before scrubbing, alongside curbs, entry areas, hallways, and interior carpeted areas. The Radius 300 does 36,300 square feet per hour and is ideal for sidewalks, entry areas, parking lots, interior carpeted areas, loading docks, production areas, and small warehouses. The Radius 360 does 47,520 square feet per hour and is ideal for parking lots, warehouses, and manufacturing areas. So now you understand how important sweeping is to your soil prevention program and how to incorporate it. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos to find out which sweeper or sweepers are right for your facility. Thanks for watching and have a great day.